Hey everybody, so I'm back with another video for you guys, and if you don't know who I am, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back at you with an unboxing video of two amazing new products. Actually, one of them is already unboxed, but I still kind of wanted to include it because I haven't had the chance to talk about it. So with that said, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram, and I'm Sheila J if you haven't already done so. So today I got a package from LUS Brands, LUS Brands, and I'm really excited. I just emailed them last week and they sent me this, so I'm really excited to be trying them out, hopefully sometime during the weekend, and having a video for you guys and a review on this product. So without further ado, this is what I got. Got shampoo, step 1, with shea butter and moringa oil, all curl types, sulfate-free shampoo. Love your curls. Hey, I can't wait to try these. Apply to wet hair, massage gently, rinse well for better results. Really cannot wait to try this. Funny thing is I'm about to run out of shampoo and conditioner anyway. Silicone free conditioner. Step 2. This is conditioner. Hey. And then Love Your Curls, step 3, all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style. This is, I guess, the repair, hydrate, style. I'm not exactly sure what this one is for, but I'm gonna assume it's this product is activated by water. It must be applied to wet, clean hair. Section hair, rinse thoroughly, add product, rake through and smooth. Squeeze out excess water and scrunch, hair dry or diffuse. Okay, I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to be using this product. I'm really looking forward to using this. The reason being is because I have a brush that I'm gonna be able to use with conjunction with this product, and that is why I'm doing a double video. This is the brush. I got it, but I never got the chance to show you guys, so that's why I said that this is the brush. This is from Tressfully Yours. It is a wet detangling flexi hair brush and has 8 free moving arms. This is supposed to be used while your hair is wet, so this is going to be the perfect brush that I use for using that particular product with them. So I'm going to combine the review video with the two companies into one video and then show you guys the process, because this is how my hair looks without that product and without using this brush. So the next video is going to be me showing you the step-by-step process of me washing my hair, me using this brush, me using that product, and actually showing you what the difference is. So this is gonna be you see how my hair is without it. So we're gonna see how my hair is with it, and with me trying out these products to see if they do anything to help me with my curls, because your girl and her curls are they're really difficult to maintain, and I have a different curl pattern below on the bottom here compared to up here. So I need some help with getting my curls to maintain itself and to behave. And hopefully these products help me to maintain. I've realized that my hair is also grown. So this will grow. The bottom of my hair, because it's a different hair texture, will grow a lot faster than the top of my hair. So I need to figure out something to do for the middle part of my hair so that my hair will grow. But thanks for watching, guys. And yeah.